Hi, what's going on, troops? Welcome to the ScareCorp Media channel. Today I would like to show you how to connect your Android device to a serial console cable for, let's say, a Juniper or a Cisco device. So some of the tools you'll need is your Android device. Then you will need your micro USB to a female USB converter. Okay, then you actually need your USB to serial converter, so that's this guy here. And you will also need, if you have this, then you can use one of these Cisco provided 15-pin serial to Cat5. These come with every Cisco device. If you're working with Cisco's, you're very familiar with these. They're pretty much everywhere. If you don't have one of these, or if you want to be not limited to the distance of the cable or whatever, pick yourself up one of these, and I use these all the time, and these are so much cooler and so much better. So basically they just hook up, you can get different models and whatnot, but they hook up to your serial device basically through this 15 pin, and then they have a Cat5 out. So then all you do is get any Cat5 cable, and whether it's pre-made 5, 6, 7 foot, 20 foot, 100 foot, it doesn't really matter. So you could be in the other side of the server room and you can still be working on this. So anyway, get yourself a Cat5 and then plug it into the console port on the back, and that's your connection. So let us we'll connect. Okay, so we'll connect that. Get some of the stuff away. Then you'll connect your male to female USB. Okay, just like that. And then you will connect your Cat5 to the end of that, which goes pretty much to the back of the Cisco device here. And that's it for hardware. That's it for connections. Now you'll need to get yourself this program. It's called Slick USB to Serial. You can find it in the Play Store. They have a free version, which is what I have today, and they also have a $7 or $8 paid version. Let's jump into that and see what that looks like. Alright, so pretty simple. Design. All the settings are pretty much all set for you. 9600 bitrate, parity none, data 8-bit, and stop is 1-bit. If you want to check the adapter info, so if I hit that, this will tell you that my this USB cord actually is plugged into /dev/bus/USB/001/002. So that's where this device is located. Alright, so pretty much at this point all you have to do is hit connect, and it'll tell you that it's do you want to allow it to connect, and we will say yes. You could also get rid of that, and so it doesn't prompt you for that. Okay, so now at this point your cursor's down here. What I found with at least the free app, it doesn't work on the side. It only works vertical, not horizontal here. So a little bit annoying, but anyway, so then you got this cursor down at the bottom. So you hit that little cursor, your keyboard should come up, and at this point just hit enter a few times, and there we go. So I was already in here, so let me just basically there you go. So you have all your there. So at this point you're already in. You just do simple command. So let's just do show run. Show space RUN. Okay, so kind of squishes it all in here. I bet you it'd look a lot nicer if this was landscape. So there's our show run, and there we go. So if I hit spacebar tab like I would on a laptop or computer, and then I can hide the keyboard, and there you go. So you can pretty much do everything you would be able to on your laptop or computer or whatnot. So you also have the with the free version this doesn't work, but you can also hit the save button and basically like, so you would type something in here and you would like say show run or like a command, and then you could save it so you don't have to type it out every time, right? So yeah, you can basically fill this list up, and that only works in the paid version. And then you can change the color, and there's, get rid of the ads as well in the paid version. But so that's pretty much that. I mean, it does work. You can turn ports on, ports off, whatever you need to do. So now let's take a look at, see if we can make this thing work with the Juniper SRX device. Okay, so I got it in here. And let's go back into our cursor and hit the enter button. There we go. Just like that, we are in the SRX 100. So if I go show, and I hit enter, oops, case sensitive, enter, and there we go. Just like that. So, and you can see what's on here. So very cool. It's quick on the go. If you forgot your laptop or whatever, or you're out in the field, you need to connect to this serial console. As long as you have this guy here, and you're good to go. So I keep this with me, and I have some at work as well. So it's very sweet. And I do believe this program with the same setup will actually work on your Android tablets. I have an Asus transformer and I haven't tried it yet, but I've been seeing that it should work through those as well. So, and I do believe it'll work not just with the Cisco Juniper, it'll work with anything similar that needs, with a similar config. So other devices that are basically the same kind of config, I'm sure they will work as well. So very cool. This is kind of geeky, but it's if you work with this every day, you'll I'm sure you'll use it more than once. So. Alright, I think that's it for this video. If you have any comments or questions, or if you found other cool applications for this, please post them down below. I'd be very interested to see how somebody else uses this. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please hit the subscribe button. You will be notified as soon as new videos come out, so that would be sweet. Alright, I think that is it for my time. I thank you for yours.